For the trade license holder, if we have a full-time job, like trade license is just for secondary income, then we also need to get the putaverzani from our employer or sa full-time job natin. And then, we need to provide the financial statements ng para sa trade license and then our transaction history kung iba yung calculation, kung regular calculation ang pipiliin natin. Transaction history is, I think, it's more of like a booklet ng naging transactions mo. But again, it depends on you kung yun yung pipiliin mo, kung anong pipiliin mong tax calculation. And also, you need to have the data box, which is given na. I think everyone who has a trade license also has a data box. So, yun. So, those are the documents. Very, very simple and easy. For the employee card holder, putaverzani or putaverzanis data box. And then for the trade license holder, we need the putaverzani as well, financial statements or bank statements, transactions history, and data box. So, very, very simple lang.